moved to Arizona 2 years ago from Arkansas, from Kansas City, so I can be able to start my business. And I knew when I got here, I was going to have to network with other people, network with other companies. I was going to have to put on their shirts, put on their logos in order for me to build my business. So I was going to have to wear somebody else's hat. But I wrote a song called The Black Market before I came here. And that song said that I had to put on a mask and start robbing. Now, most people probably thought I was talking about, oh, I'm finna grab a pistol and I'm finna go rob something. But nah, this is the black market. This is new now. That ain't what I'm doing. Nah, not at all. You know how I'm robbing now? You know what my mask is now? Networking with others, working for other companies. I'm willing to work for them to build my company. That's how I rob now. I work for their company to build my company. That's how I rob. I don't rob with no pistol. I use my work ethics, and it's fine with me. But you got to be able to get out your comfort zone. It's cool, but if you're going to build something that's going to last, you got to be able to rob for it. That's not a bad thing. That just means that you're willing to make a sacrifice and go take something going out of the norm. I'm not using no gun. I'm using a welding lead now. I'm using fabrication tools. I'm using iron working tools, harnesses. That's what I'm doing now. But I had to put somebody else's hat on. Had to put somebody else's shirt on in order to do it. And this is real talk. And I've been here 2 years. And you know how many shirts I didn't put on? How many hats I didn't put on? In order for me to get to where I'm at now, in order for me to build Hog On, and I'm still networking with other companies. Because I'm building something. See, one thing I realized when I work for someone else, I can't guarantee my kids and their kids and their kids a job. I can't guarantee them to have a pension, some inheritance from that job. But if I build a company, if I build a LLC, if I build a few LLCs, I can guarantee they'll be okay. But before I do, I got to wear the shirts. And you know how many I wore? I had to wear a hat. That's one shirt from one company. Here go another shirt, different logos. Here go another shirt, different logos. Here go another shirt, different logo. It's fine. Here go another shirt, different logo. All to get down to my logo, to who I am. Black Phoenix, Hog On, welding, to build my company. I did all of that to do this. And that's what it's about. What are you going to do? How many shirts are you going to wear? Hog On.